Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to create customer record in NetSuite. Go to Lists, Relationships, Customers, then click on New to create a new customer record. Select the custom form you prefer to use for creating the customer record from the drop-down menu. Enter the customer ID in the designated field to uniquely identify the customer within the system. You can choose between two types for the customer record, company and individual. The main difference is that for individual, you'll need to enter the customer's first and last name, whereas for company, you'll enter the company name. For this video, I'll be using the company type to create the customer record. Enter the company name in the appropriate field to identify the customer organization. If the customer is part of a larger organization, you can also select a parent company from the drop-down. You can set the status of the customer to indicate their current relationship stage. Enter the customer's email address in the designated field for communication and record purposes. Enter the customer's phone number in the appropriate field to provide a direct contact method. Next is to select the primary subsidiary for the customer to associate them with the correct legal entity within your organization. Under the Subsidiaries tab, you can select any other subsidiaries the customer is connected to. Under the Communications tab, you can log phone calls, tasks, events, or other interactions with the customer. Under the Address tab, enter the customer's address details, including street, city, state, postal code, and country. You can add any additional information or details as needed before saving the customer record to ensure it's complete. Now, we have successfully created a customer record. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.